Hey guys, legal tip today is about the hurricane. As y'all all know, unless you've been living under a rock, the hurricane is sitting off the coast and won't make up its mind whether it's going to come inland or whether it's just going to stay out off the coast. Now, if it stays off the coast, hopefully we won't have any issues with closings here in the Midlands. But if it does decide to make a turn inland, it could delay closings. And what that means is that if the insurance companies believe that this hurricane could affect the Midlands in any form or fashion, meaning that it could run up in inland or have tornadoes or hurricane force winds here, then they could decide to suspend coverage and not issue any more coverages. And what that means is, even though we're scheduled to close, the insurance companies could say, we're not going to insure the houses that have not closed, so do not close until this storm passes. Some of them could allow those with insurance binders to go ahead and close, meaning that if we already have the insurance binder in place, as long as the date has not expired, we could go ahead and close. We did have one major insurance company earlier last week on Friday suspend coverage in the Midlands, but they have since reinstated it as of noon today. So we right now do not know of any insurance companies that are not going to allow the closings to occur in the Midlands. Now, along the coast, that's a whole different story. Greenville and Spartanburg area, upstate area is not affected at all as far as we can see. Blair Cato is monitoring the situation. We're going to continue to work with the insurance agents we know to make sure that no changes occur. We're also calling every single insurance company on each closing we're having to make sure that they're still going to insure the house. If you're not closing with Blair Cato, I highly advise you to have your client call the insurance agent to confirm that they are still able to close and that the insurance will bind. The last thing they want to have happen is to close and find out that the insurance company has suspended coverage and won't insure it, because if there is damage from the hurricane related storm, they might not be covered. So be sure to check on that. Blair Cato, we're checking on it for you. So hopefully this hurricane will just keep on blowing out to sea and this will be a big nothing, but we do need to keep monitoring it. We will update through legal tips if we see any change in the status of the insurance. All right. Keep praying that the storm goes off the coast and we're all good to go. Take care.